When we talk about the off-road dominance mixed with timeless design, things are pretty clear. Wrangler is the name that comes to mind. And now, with further advances in electrification combined with the impressive internal combustion lineup and unparalleled off-road performance, it seems better than ever before. Stay with us to find out why the all-new 2026 Jeep Wrangler wows everybody. New transmission for plug-in hybrid. Big novelties are coming for the already impressive plug-in hybrid. The 2026 model year brings ZF's cutting-edge 8 HP 80ph plug-in hybrid transmission, and the numbers alone tell an incredible story. We're talking about 215 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque from the electric motor, which absolutely destroys the current system's 134 horsepower and 181 pound-feet. That's a 60% increase in electric power that translates to seamless acceleration and whisper-quiet crawling over rocks. But the real magic happens in how this system works. ZF completely redesigned the transmission housing to fully integrate the motor's electronic control, eliminating the mess of separate control units that plagued older hybrid systems. This means less wiring complexity, improved safety, and significantly lower maintenance costs. The new transmission also features ZF's next-generation high-voltage electric motor with welded copper rods instead of traditional coiled wire, boosting power density without making the transmission any larger. The hydraulic control system received a major upgrade too. Direct shift valves now reduce the required hydraulic fluid from 3.1 liters down to just 1.8 liters, minimizing drag loss and optimizing performance. When you combine that with the innovative single-power shunt pump system that maintains hydraulic pressure even when the gas engine is off, you get smooth operation across every driving condition imaginable. The 2026 Wrangler 4xe models equipped with this transmission will deliver up to 31 miles of electric-only range while hitting speeds of 74.5 miles per hour without ever firing up the gasoline engine. That means you can handle your daily commute in complete silence, then switch to trail mode and unleash the full fury of both powertrains working together. Last chance to get the Hemi. Speaking of fury, 2026 marks the end of an era that has car enthusiasts both celebrating and mourning. The legendary 470 horsepower Hemi V8 is making its final bow in the Rubicon 392 Final Edition, and once it's gone forever. This 6.4-liter beast has been the crown jewel of the Wrangler lineup, delivering muscle car acceleration wrapped in an off-road package that seemed impossible just a few years ago. The Hemi produces earth-shaking power that hurdles the Wrangler from 0 to 60 with genuine muscle car enthusiasm. Paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission, it delivers flawless performance whether you're climbing steep rock faces or merging onto the highway. The adaptive exhaust system lets you choose between a thunderous roar that announces your presence or a more subdued note for quiet neighborhoods. But the Hemi isn't the only powertrain story for 2026. The standard 285 horsepower V6 engine continues to serve as the backbone of the lineup, offering solid performance with better fuel economy than the V8. There's also the 270 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder that delivers punchy acceleration with a more efficient footprint. The Turbo 4 might sound coarse compared to the smooth V6, but it provides impressive low-end torque that off-road enthusiasts appreciate. Timeless design. That powertrain versatility sits beneath bodywork that continues to honor the Wrangler's legendary heritage while embracing modern functionality. The 2026 model maintains the iconic 7-slot grille that's been a Wrangler trademark for decades, flanked by LED headlights that provide excellent visibility for night adventures. The pronounced fender flares and slab-sided body panels give the Wrangler its unmistakable profile that looks equally at home in downtown traffic or deep wilderness. The Rubicon 392 Final Edition takes the visual drama even further with its pronounced hood scoop, front-mounted winch provisions, and elevated ride height courtesy of massive 35-inch tires. These aren't just styling exercises, every element serves a functional purpose for serious off-road work. The approach and departure angles remain class-leading, while the breakover angle ensures you can tackle steep obstacles without scraping the undercarriage. 2-door and 4-door configurations continue to offer different personalities for different needs. The 2-door maintains a more compact footprint that's easier to maneuver on tight trails, while the 4-door provides additional passenger space and cargo capacity for family adventures. Both configurations feature removable doors and convertible tops that transform the Wrangler from enclosed SUV to open-air adventure machine in minutes. The available Sky One Touch Power Top deserves special mention for its convenience. This power-folding soft top retracts in seconds, providing the open-air experience without the manual labor of traditional soft tops. It offers better security than standard soft tops while operating faster than hardtop configurations. Attractive and functional interior. The design philosophy that makes the exterior so appealing carries through to a cabin that balances rugged functionality with modern comfort. The dashboard features a host of buttons and knobs that make adjusting audio and climate controls simple and intuitive, even while wearing gloves. Above that sits the bright, modern-looking Uconnect infotainment system with its 12.3-inch touchscreen that remains easy to navigate despite offering extensive functionality. Materials throughout the cabin focus on durability rather than luxury, which makes perfect sense for a vehicle designed to get dirty. The nicely textured fabrics and hard-wearing surfaces can handle muddy boots, sandy swimsuits, and whatever else your adventures throw at them. Various trim levels offer unique design elements and materials, allowing for customization that matches your intended use. Seating capacity depends on body style, with two-door models accommodating 4 passengers and 4-door versions seating 5. The front seats provide excellent visibility and a high driving position that makes you feel confident whether you're navigating city traffic or picking your way through boulder fields. The seats themselves offer decent comfort for daily driving, though they can feel somewhat firm during longer journeys. Cargo capacity varies significantly between configurations. 4-door models provide competitive space with 31.7 cubic feet behind the second row and 72.4 cubic feet with rear seats folded. 2-door versions sacrifice cargo space for maneuverability, offering 12.9 cubic feet with all seats up and 31.7 cubic feet with rear seats down. The cargo area design prioritizes function over form with a flat loading floor and wide opening that makes loading gear straightforward. Unparalleled off-road performance. All that interior space and design philosophy exists to support what the Wrangler does better than any other vehicle in its class: conquer terrain that stops other SUVs cold. The 2026 Wrangler continues to excel as the most skilled off-roader in the segment, fearlessly barreling through harsh terrain that would leave competitors stranded. The foundation of this capability starts with the solid front and rear axles that provide exceptional articulation and strength. While most competitors have moved to independent suspension for better on-road comfort, Jeep sticks with solid axles because they simply work better when the pavement ends. The 2-speed transfer case offers both high-range 4-wheel drive for slippery conditions and low-range gearing for serious rock crawling. Advanced features like electronic locking differentials, sway bar disconnect, and selectable drive modes optimize traction and suspension articulation for different terrain types. The electronic sway bar disconnect allows for greater wheel travel when crawling over obstacles, while multiple terrain modes adjust throttle response, transmission behavior, and stability systems for sand, rock, mud, or snow conditions. Ground clearance reaches impressive levels across the lineup, with the Rubicon 392 Final Edition riding especially high on its 35-inch all-terrain tires. Approach and departure angles exceed what most owners will ever need, while skid plates protect vital components from rock strikes. Tow hooks front and rear provide recovery points for getting unstuck or helping other vehicles. The available Extreme Recon package takes capability even further with additional lift, larger tires, and enhanced protection for the most demanding trails. This package transforms an already capable vehicle into something that can tackle terrain reserved for purpose-built rock crawlers. Water fording capability allows the Wrangler to cross streams and navigate flooded areas that would disable other vehicles. The elevated air intake and sealed electrical connections ensure the engine keeps running even when water reaches the door sills. Release date and price. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler lineup will arrive at dealerships with pricing that reflects the extensive capability on offer. The base sport trim will start at around $33,000 for the 2-door configuration and $37,000 for the 4-door, providing serious off-road hardware at an accessible price point. The Sport S adds important safety features for $37,000 2-door and $41,000 4-door. Higher trim levels command premium pricing that reflects their enhanced equipment. The Rubicon 392 Final Edition represents the pinnacle of the lineup at approximately $102,000, but this marks your final opportunity to own a factory Hemi-powered Wrangler. The 4xe hybrid models will start at around $52,000 for the Sport S trim and climb from there based on equipment levels. Production timing ensures these vehicles will be available throughout the 2026 model year, though the Rubicon 392 Final Edition will likely sell quickly given its status as the last of its kind. Those interested in the Hemi V8 shouldn't wait, as once production ends, that's truly the end of this legendary power plant in Wrangler form. And even though most of today's SUVs are unibody comfort-oriented vehicles, there are still a couple of alternatives. Check out this video about the 2026 Ford Bronco, which you can see on the screen. The Wrangler's key rival continues to improve and now seems more competitive than ever before.